And if you're a Blender artist and you like to take advantage of some of the cool stuff that are currently on sale, this week we're looking at some of the cool and nice add-ons that were just announced before the Blender sale commenced. Some of these tools are pretty new, and it's interesting to see that most of them are currently on sale at this point. And for those who like to get them, you can simply go over to the link in the description and get them. And with that said, let's get right into it. Buer Group from Antonio Bagattini is a brand new collaboration with the folks at Evermotion. This collaboration has brought to light the idea of scattering vegetations in your scene by simply drawing it. It's pretty interesting the way it scatters, and at the same time it also offers a couple of interesting parameters that you can use, as it still retains that beautiful feel of working with Bag of Pie tools. The Buer Group also comes with some interesting auto layering set of tools that simply allows you to create things pretty easily. And for seeding, you do have a good number of seeds that you can create, and this also ships with 3 different volumes of group, which includes the garden volume, the urban volume, and also the wild volume. And for those who are thinking about scattering and playing with stuff with high quality, then you might want to consider taking a look at this. It's also worth mentioning that Antonio Bagattini has also created some other stuff previously. And if you love working with Asset Browser, then you might want to consider taking a look at the Bagger Batch. Another interesting creator that has also made some very interesting materials over time is Alel. Alel has made some beautiful looking materials, and this includes the tone material and the customized lazy material. And this is currently at 45% off for early adopters, and it is going wild with the fact that it is now on sale. So the idea behind this is for those who are thinking about working with procedural materials, PBR materials, and would like to take advantage of some geometry node tools, then this might just be the add-on for you, as this currently ships with 320 procedural materials, which are fully customizable, over 100 PBR materials, and 14 geometry nodes, giving you some unique designs. So whether you're trying to create metallic stuff or you're simply just trying to beautify your interiors or cars, then this might just have a material that you're looking for. Trey is a dynamic set of trees that now have a couple of interesting updates. Previously, Trey was just this dynamic tree that you can play with and possibly add a few animations too. You can now create growth animated trees, and at the same time, you can cut these trees and trim them however you want. So if you're thinking about an add-on that will allow you to prune trees, or maybe an add-on that would give you options of working with lightweight trees that you can use to beautify your scene, then Trey is one for you. And if you've ever wanted to create some very interesting designs or repeated patterns on your model, then you might want to consider looking at Streamflow, as this is a Blender add-on that is designed to allow you add repeating patterns and ornaments or stitches on any object in a very non-destructive way. The approach very similar to Substance Painter, as you simply work with a path tool and utilize the brushes that are currently available to make those changes. These changes can be baked into the model, and you can use it to fine-tune any model of choice that you're working with. And if working with assets is your forte, then Nine Studios are offering a lot of things for that. So from motorcycles all the way to rooftop props, down to working with the 64 plus kit bash models that you can use for both street, industrial, and rooftop, which by the way is going for 50% off, offers you an opportunity to play with these assets and start creating with them. So instead of reinventing the wheel by making these models yourself, you can now take advantage of all of these pre-designed ones, which are pretty high quality. So if you're into assets or props, then you might want to consider taking a look at these. Another interesting set of creator we're going to look at is the 3D Monkey X. 3D Monkey X has also created an asset pack which deals with animated wall clock assets. 3D Monkey X also has a lot of cool material stuff that you might want to take a look at, especially if you're into independent material packs. And speaking about independent material packs, Santos has released a procedural metal material bundle which just simply offers metal material. So we already know Santos library with their beautiful procedural materials and tool sets that they have to offer, but the metal pack is one amongst the other material packs that they've created. So whether you're looking for the glitter PVC fabric or you're looking for procedural sequin fabric, then you would definitely find these ones useful. So this is it. The Blender market sale is running off, and for those who are thinking about grabbing anything, this might just be the right time for you to get it. Of course, there's a lot of cool, interesting add-ons that are currently available for those who are thinking about checking them out, and all of these are super useful and pretty interesting, and I would suggest that you go ahead and see these things for yourself. Tools like the Quick Attach are also impressive, and for those who like to create some very simple to use fluid systems, then the Cell Fluid is also another cool one that is right here. Check out the links in the description and grab them right now. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.